guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this super cute, simple Valentine's Day nail look, and we're going to be using nail forms in this video. And keep watching. So starting off, I want to say a quick thank you to Rosalind. They sent me over these two polygels in the shade Clear and Soft Pink. I used Soft Pink for this video. Starting off, the very first thing I noticed was how big the bottles were. I believe you could get these bottles for $15, I want to say. I'm not sure, but I'm going to have the price and the picture of it here. But the bottles are huge. You get 2 ounces, and that's like the biggest polygel bottle that I've ever got. Like, that's a lot of polygel in one bottle. So here is a quick sample of what's absolutely a soft pink color, and I absolutely love this shade. So these are the nail forms I'll be using. I got these in a Burano polygel kit. I love that polygel kit, and if you're a beginner, it's definitely perfect for you. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. So when you're doing nail forms, you want to make sure that you're applying your nail form sticker correctly, or else, they won't come out properly. And how I did that was I just slid it underneath of my nail, closed it up, made sure that, it looked straight and that it wasn't crooked. That's the biggest thing. You want to make sure that you're not putting them on crooked, because you might do it a few times, but just make sure it's on straight before you start applying your polygel. So now I'm just going to be taking a generous amount of polygel, applying that, and then I'm just going to start working with it. So my method of doing this, like I said, this was my first time. I didn't YouTube a video on how to appropriately, shape nails with nail forms. I kind of just started at my cuticle and made it super thin. I wanted to keep it bulky near the apex area because I do like a high apex. Well, a somewhat high apex. And then I thinned it out when I started going towards the front, I thinned it out. So that's how I did it. And this is sped up ×4. If it were to be slowed down, each nail probably took me about a good 7 minutes to do. If you're intimidated by using nail forms, because I definitely was intimidated to use these at first, don't be. Just give it a try. Practice definitely makes perfect. My nails came out, I liked them. They could have come out better, but for my first time using nail forms, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm definitely going to be trying these out more, just so I have a backup option. Like, let's say I don't have any full nail covers, then I can go for nail forms. So this is what it looks like. I wanted to make the apex higher and build more. So I'm just applying a second layer of polygel and shaping that. Like I said, this was my first time. When I see little tutorials like on Instagram of people using nail forms, they just do one and done. I don't know, maybe it's different with polygel because most of the time they're using acrylic. But yeah, don't be scared. Just give it a try. If it doesn't come out good, just take it off, take a break, and come back to it. That's what I always do when I'm trying something new and it doesn't work for me. So this is the nail. I really like the shape of it, and I'm taking this off. And as you can see, it's a little bit messy, but it's not bad. Once we file and shape it up, it's going to look really good. So I'm going to be doing the same method, and I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So when I took this nail cover off, it was still not cured at the bottom fully. So what I realized when I was doing this is when you put your hand in the lamp, you want to cure it for the front for, I would say, like, maybe a minute. Flip your nails over and cure it for another minute, I would say. So that is cured fully. Also, so I use a 120 watt lamp, and the link to that will be in the description box below. I get it from Amazon and it's about $20. If you do polygel nails often, I would definitely recommend getting that. It's going to be like a great investment for you. So here are what the results look like. My apexes are just how I like them, not too high, but not too low. And I really don't think I did that bad. They don't look bad to me. So I'm using a lint-free cloth with some alcohol, and I'm just wiping down my nails because polygel can leave a little bit of a sticky residue. So I'm going in with these nail clippers that I purchased from Amazon. If you want the link, that'll be down below as well. And I'm just sizing my nails, making sure they're all the same length. So now I'm going in with a 100 and 180 grit nail file. I purchased these from Amazon as well. Link will be in the description box below. And I'm just shaping them up slightly before we go in with our e-drill. So when you're using nail forms, I would definitely say that having a e-file is almost necessary. I purchased this e-file from Amazon. This is the Easy Basket, and the link will be in the description box below. I like this file. I have been having problems with it. I got it about a month ago, and like certain positions I do, it'll just randomly stop working. I don't know if that's like supposed to happen, like as a safety feature. Let me know in the comments if that means that I need to purchase a new e-file, because I'm really not sure. Like the wire, when the wire bends a certain way, it'll stop working, if that makes sense. But after you file, I'm going to go in with a buffer. And here is what they're looking like so far. I love this shape. It's like a square shape, and I never really do square. I'm going to go in with a nail brush and just dust off all that dust, and then I'm going to go wash my hands. So here's what they're looking like so far. I really love this color. It's truly a soft pink, and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to go in with these geometric shapes. I'm only going to use the heart shape one. And I'm going to be using a base coat to apply this. I'm just using an old dusty rusty base coat that I have. So this little thing I got from, it's going to be in my next video because I have a nail art haul coming for you guys in about a day or two. But what I'm going to do is go in with a base coat and fully coat the nail that I want to put the charm on. So I had originally placed the charm on and it wasn't working. What you have to do if you're working with a charm like this is bend the charm a little bit and then apply it. So as you can see, it wasn't laying flat. So all I'm going to do is take it, bend the charm a little bit, and then apply. And after you do that, it should lay perfectly. So now I'm going to flash cure that on. And it should be stuck in place. I'm going to go in with another lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and you want to make sure you rub that down before applying your top coat. So this is just a little exclusive, I don't know. I purchased this from TJ Maxx for like $3. They're like these little nail polishes with hearts in it. And it's so cute. I just wanted to see what it would look like on this nail. And I was just testing it out. I'm going to wind up taking this off, but I think it's so pretty. So if you wanted to do like a yogurt kind of heart look for Valentine's Day with this polygel and this nail polish, it's going to look so pretty. Look how cute that looks. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It also came in another shade with just clear and red hearts. So cute. I'm probably going to end up using this in my Valentine's Day video. So now I'm going in with a clear top coat from Gershon. I got this in a kit as well. This kit has been very popular. I definitely recommend it if you're a beginner. It comes with, I think, 6 different shades: top coat, base coat, slip solution, crystals, a nail brush, like almost everything you need besides a lamp. So you can purchase that off of Amazon, and I'm going to leave a link to that down below. Now I'm just going in and wiping up the sides a little bit before I cure. Going in with another lint-free wipe. I mean, you can use the same one because they dry, but I'm just going to go in and wipe it down since this is not a no-wipe top coat. Going in with the same cuticle oil I always use, and I'm just going to take that and apply that to my cuticles and rub it in. And here are the final results, guys. Oh my gosh, so cute, so simple. I love this soft pink color and this nail decal. It's definitely beautiful, giving me a nice, simple Valentine's Day look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. A few of the items that I use in this video will be in my next video because I'm going to be doing a nail supply / nail art haul for you guys. And if you're watching this video the day I uploaded it, then it would be up 2 days after, I think. Yeah, it'll be up 2 days after. So definitely hang around for that. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.